Hello, teacher. I'm going to read The Ugly Duckling. Once upon a time, on an old farm, lived a duck family. A mother duck had been sitting on a clutch of new eggs. One nice morning, the eggs hatched and out popped 6 stupid ducklings, but one egg was bigger than the rest, and it didn't hatch. Mother Duck couldn't recall laying that 7 eggs. How did it get there? Tock, tock. The little prisoner was peeking inside his shell. Mother Duck wondered, but before she had time to think about it, the last egg finally hatched, a strange-looking duckling with gray feathers that should have been yellow gaze, and a worried mother. The ducklings grew quickly, but Mother Duck had a secret worry. I can understand how this ugly duckling can be one of mine, she said to her, shaking her head. A nice look at her last born. Bye, teacher.